This is part 4 of a video series of Basic Japanese Alphabet, Hiragana, Katakana. In this part 4, you will learn how to pronounce tachitsuteto sounds, along with example words, phrases, and Japanese idioms. Let's look at Hiragana, Katakana, Aiueo chart first. This is Japanese alphabet. Hiragana, katakana, we call it A-I-U-E-O. Today you will learn this row. Consonant T plus basic vowel. A-I-U-E-O. T plus A is ta. T plus I is chi. T plus U is tsu. T plus E is te. T plus O is to. Tachitsuteto. If you haven't watched the part 1 yet, please check it out to learn how to pronounce basic Japanese vowel, A-I-U-E-O. Let's get started. Today's sound, tachitsuteto. First sound is ta. Ta. It's similar to ta as in touch, but you don't need to make t sound too much. More softer and a little higher pitch. Ta, ta. And make sound through your nose a little bit. Ta, ta. Example word, tada. Tada means free, no charge. Somehow we describe it in katakana, tada. But in general, katakana is used for international or English words or imitative words. If you like to learn how to pronounce English words in Japanese katakana, such as Los Angeles, Disneyland, please check out the video link here. So tada is one of the exceptions to describe it in katakana form. The intonation is tada, tada. But tada sounds informal, conversational. So proper word is muryou, muryou. It's a little bit difficult to pronounce because there is ri, r sound and small yo sound here. Ri, 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 ri-yo, 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 ryo, ryo, muryou, muryou. If you like to learn and practice more on small yayu-yo sounds, please check out the video link here. And the Japanese R sound, you need to tip your tongue to the upper gum ridge. If you like to practice more on Japanese R sound, please check out the video link here as well. これ無料ですか？いいえ、有料です。Another meaning of ただ is just or only. ただ話をしただけ means we just talked. 話をする is the original form, which means talk, have a conversation. だけ means only. ただ話をしただけ. Polite form is ただ話をしただけです。ただ話をしただけです。Another example is ただ疲れているんです。ただ疲れているんです。I'm just tired. 疲れる is the original form, which means get tired. Polite conversational way is ただ疲れてるんです。ただ疲れてるんです。In daily conversation, we often skip I sound. ただ疲れてるんです。Another example word of 他 is 他人. 他人 means stranger, non-family members. But 他人 sounds sort of cold. Especially 赤の他人 means completely stranger, nothing related to the person. For example, どうせ赤の他人 sounds like we are or she or he is not related by blood, after all. どうせ sounds like anyway, after all. どうせ赤の他人 sounds very distant, cold expression. 他人同士 means nothing related to each other, not related by blood to each other. 他人同士 But 他人丼 is popular rice bowl. Don indicates rice bowl. 他人丼他人丼 comes with cooked egg and beef or pork. Because egg doesn't come from pork or beef. They are not family members. And 親子丼 comes with egg and chicken. 親子丼親子 means parent and child. 親 is parent. 子 is child. 親子丼 Another example word is 田中さん Tanaka is common Japanese family name. In general, we often call each other with family name in Japan. But be careful with the intonation. It's not Tanaka-san, but it's Tanaka-san. Tanaka-san. Let's move on next sound. Chi. Chi. It's a little similar to chi as in cheap, but you don't need to make ch shaped too much. Just relax, neutral shaped, and shorter. Chi. Chi. Chichi is own father. Chichi is proper way to say my father. But we have many different ways to say my father in Japanese. So if you're interested in how to say my father, mother, and your father, mother in native Japanese ways, please check out the video link here. 父親になる means become a father. Something になる means become something. 父親になる The past tense is 父親になった。父親になった。When word ends with た is past tense most of the time. Next sound is つ。つ It's a little bit similar to つ as in cats, but there is う sound after つ sound. So it's つ、つ、つ、つ Make sound つ and う together. つ、つ Example word つ つ means well versed in something. Connoisseur. つ was started to be used from Edo period. Originally, it described a person who is sophisticated, fashionable, and well versed in art, and love affair. Love affair from the Edo period way is 色ごと Iro is color. Koto is things, affair. 色ごと Shokutsu is someone who knows very well about food and restaurant. Shokutsu. Shoku is food. Another word is gurume. Gurume. Gurume came from the word gourmet. つだね Sounds like you are such a connoisseur. つだよね It's a compliment. Another example word is つまらない。つまらない means boring. つまらない In casual conversation, we often say it like つまんない or つまんない The opposite word is not つまる The opposite words are 面白い or 楽しい面白い means interesting or funny. 楽しい is fun. 面白い、楽しい。 when word ends with I is adjective most of the time. Proper word of boring is 退屈。退屈。退屈な映画 means boring movie. Something not means it's an adjective. あの映画つまらなかった means that movie was boring. あの映画つまらなかったよ。Or you can say あの映画面白くなかった。あの映画面白くなかったよ。Next sound is て。て。It's similar to て as in text, but you don't need to make t sound too much. More softer and a little higher pitch. て。て。And make sound through your nose a little bit. て。て。手 is hand. 手のひら is this side, palm. 手のひら and 手の甲 is this side, 手の甲 and 手首 is wrist. 首 is neck. 手首手のひらを返す literally means flip hand like this. 返す means turn, flip. But 手のひらを返す is an idiom, which means change attitude abruptly. 手のひらを返す。The past tense is 手のひらを返した。手のひらを返した。Passive form is 手のひらを返された。手のひらを返された。Something された means it's passive form. Another meaning of 手 is weigh, measure. 手がある means there is a measure. 手がある。And 手を打つ literally means clap. But it indicates take measures. And another meaning is reach an agreement. 手を打つ。Past tense is 手を打った。手を打った。The last sound is と。と。It's similar to と as in toe, but softer and lighter. と。と。と is conjunction word, which means and or with. Example sentence. リンゴとバナナ。Apple and banana. And 姉と一緒に行った means went there along with my sister. 姉 is proper ways to say my sister. 一緒に means along with. 行く is the original form, which means go. 姉と一緒に行った。Proper way is 姉と一緒に行きました。姉と一緒に行きました。If someone asks you who you went with, you can simply answer with 姉と with my sister. 姉と Proper way is 姉とです。姉とです。If you like to learn how to say my sister, brother, or your sister, brother in native ways, the link is in the corner here. Please check it out. And と is door. 戸を開ける is open the door. 戸を閉める is close the door. 戸を開ける。戸を開ける。戸を閉める。戸を閉める。The past tense is 戸を開けた。戸を開けた。戸を閉めた。戸を閉めた。Again, 戸を開ける。戸を開けた。戸を閉める。戸を閉めた。And we also use door. ドアを開ける。 ドアを閉めた。So today you have learned this role. 立ちつてと。In next lesson, you will learn the next role. Consonant and sound plus vowel. なにぬねの。So please stay tuned. If you like this lesson, please like this video and be sure to subscribe so you will not miss my future lessons. Thank you for watching on Japanese Conversation with Terumi. See you soon. さようなら。